Imagine machines that can see and react instantly to the world around them. That's the magic of computer vision, CV, a technology revolutionizing industries by automating processes, driving smarter decisions, and boosting efficiency like never before. But using CV can be challenging. It requires real-time processing and flawless accuracy. That's where scale computing comes in. Instead of juggling multiple, complicated systems, our fully integrated platform combines compute, storage, virtualization, and disaster recovery in one streamlined solution. It's engineered to support both your legacy applications and cutting-edge CV workloads seamlessly. There's no need to manage the complexity of separate hardware and software components to support individual point solutions. What sets us apart? Running CV applications at the edge, right where data is collected, eliminates delays, delivering real-time insights for high-stakes operations. Whether it's monitoring factory floors, enhancing retail experiences, or ensuring patient safety in healthcare, we bring the power of immediate data processing to your fingertips. Our scale computing hypercore technology takes performance up a notch. It intelligently manages resources to keep your CV and AI applications running smoothly, even under heavy demand. Say goodbye to latency and hello to peak efficiency. Data management is simplified. With features like deduplication, replication, and immutable snapshots, your data stays secure and optimized, so you can focus on what matters, driving results. Reliability isn't just a feature, it's a necessity. For mission-critical CV tasks, our self-healing and automated failover ensure uninterrupted operations, even during hardware hiccups. Your data stays safe, and your organization stays ahead of disruptions, maximizing productivity and performance. And as your needs expand, our platform grows with you effortlessly. Whether scaling up for global deployments or handling new data streams, Scale Computing Platform is designed to evolve alongside your ambitions. Ready to make computer vision work smarter for you? Discover how Scale Computing can simplify and supercharge your CV operations at scalecomputing.com.